Hey there, this is Mrs. Castanelli. I'm the lit at Mountainside and Sunset, and today I'm going to show you how you can use WeVideo as a screencasting tool. So go to wevideo.com and log in, and we do, as a school, have a premium version of WeVideo, so you can log in with your Google account, choose your Google account, and get signed in. Once you're into WeVideo, they have a variety of different templates and projects that you can start, but click here under where it says create new and go to recording and then choose, do you want a horizontal, a square, or a vertical recording. So I'm going to choose horizontal because my presentation that I'm going to do is from a Google slide deck. So you can have a little picture of yourself in your screen recording, like what I'm doing right now. But for this presentation, I'm just going to do screen only. And I'm going to have it save it into whatever project you have in WeVideo. So then I'm going to go next. If it asks you to allow to use your microphone and your webcam, you have to give permission on whatever computer you're using. So now you can choose, do you want to record the entire screen? Do you want to record a window or a specific tab? And I'm going to choose tab because I have a slide deck right here that is on a different tab that I only want that recorded. So I'm going to press share. Now, right now, we are in the process of screen recording in wevideo.com. And so I'm going to start the presentation. So if I'm a student and I am doing a screen recording of my presentation, I can now talk over, and maybe I have my speaker notes in front of me, but now I can do my screen presentation and a recording at the same time. And you can choose to either just listen to the audio, or you could have yourself in the corner like I'm doing here with Screencastify. And then when you're done, you stop sharing and you go back to WeVideo, and the part that it recorded, you can either save or re-record. Once you press save, what it's going to do is going to put your recording down here on the timeline. And if you're fine with the way it is right here, you just go through and you watch the whole recording and it looks good to you, you can just press finish, and it's going to ask you to like basically build your screencast and give it a title. I'll call this We Video Screen Recording Sample. And then you can decide what resolution do you want it. Do you want to save it back to Google Drive? Do you want to upload it right to YouTube? So I'm just going to save it back to Google Drive. And what it's going to go through is going to rebuild your video frame by frame. So if you want to add more advanced features in your screen recording, back in WeVideo, after you have your recording on your timeline, you now have all the tools of WeVideo. So if you wanted to go through part of your screen recording, let's say you made a mistake, you can click on the recording and you could split it at that point, and then you could come to the part that you didn't want and you could split it there, and then you could delete parts of your screen recording and edit it just like you would edit any other screen or any other video and recording. Just like any other video you would edit in WeVideo. You can add text if you want to put text on top. There are all these pre-formatted texts that you could put, or you can just do real basic ones too. So if you want to have motion text or primary text would be really helpful in your screen recording. If, let's say, there's something you forgot to say or specific directions and you wanted to add it to the bottom of your screen recording. So you would just come up to like a basic, you would drag it down to the timeline. It's going to sit on top of your video. and then you would write whatever text that you want. Like this is a title. And then you can see your text is here on top of your screen, and you can choose what color you want and what size you want it, and you can play around with it. So this is really helpful if you need to add some additional directions to your screen recording. And then once you save your changes on your title, there are other things that you can do to make your, you put a lot more work into your screencast by adding titles and maybe other images or things, but pretty much anything you can do in WeVideo, you can also do on your screen recording and add additional features to it if that you find that helpful.